welcome to my channel. I'm Sabrina. For today's video, I wanted to do a Q&A and sit down and just chit chat with you guys a bit. I haven't really done anything like this on my channel. So I went ahead on my Instagram and did a little question box for a bunch of questions. Most of them are beauty related. We've got a few other ones sprinkled in there as well. I'm going to be breaking down the questions a little bit more, so I've got less questions and more of an answer, so I can kind of answer your question and help any makeup concerns, most asked makeup questions. So that's the plan for today's video. Let's just get right into it. So I'm gonna start off with the first question. How is social distancing going? I've been social distancing for a few weeks now, and honestly, it's been fairly good. My first few weeks was fine, and then just last week I had a little bit more of a tougher week. I was getting more in my head, going a little bit crazy, wanting to see friends and stuff like that. This week I feel like I've been off to a really good start, and I've been more in a positive mindset, keeping myself busy and just enjoying my time with my family as well. Overall, it's been fairly okay. That's life right now, and I just gotta wait for this storm to pass. The next question is what I've been doing more these days. Because of the whole COVID-19, my everyday routine has really switched in what I do. Having a lot of time to create lots of content, whether it's on my Instagram, filming lots of YouTube videos, which has been really awesome. I've been cleaning and organizing. My room has never looked so clean. Gotten down to most things. I have a couple drawers still that I go through in my room, but it's looking pretty tidy, which is nice. Also been going to the beach quite a bit, like at least once a week. Try to do it twice a week. I love the beach. It's like my happy place. Just the fresh ocean breeze just kind of gives peace to the mind. Keep your distance between everyone there, but it's good to get some fresh air for sure. And then I've also been baking a lot. I've been video chatting my friends and then baking kind of like competitions with them, so that's been really fun. It does not help for my health kick, but you know, moderation, right? I've also had a lot of time to spend time with God, just setting aside every morning, doing the devotions, reading the Bible. That has been really good and just really helps me kind of be in a good mindset during this time. So that's kind of been what I've been doing lately. It doesn't really change. It's been quite consistent and just kind of same old routine, but yeah. The next question is my top 5 makeup products, and I went through my drawer quickly before and I had a hard time narrowing it down. My go-tos that are like in my routine every single day. Some of them have been like my favorites for a long time, so it's a little bit of a mix up with some new and old products. My top #1 product out of the 5 will probably come to no surprise if you watch my channel for a little bit. It's the Essence I Heart Extreme Volume Waterproof Mascara. This is probably like my ride or die product. It's so affordable since you have to replace mascaras more often. I just love it, and a waterproof mascara really keeps my lashes up. That one has been in like countless of my videos for favorites and yearly favorites, and it will probably be until I find another mascara, but I've been trying to find another mascara that beats it and there's none. Another product that there's no surprise is the Butter Bronzer, which is a really nice affordable product again. Such a beautiful bronzer, and I was kind of debating between this and the Hoola bronzer, close second. I always go back to this bronzer. It's that perfect warmth, but it's not too orange, and it has this little bit of a glow in it, and it's definitely going to give you almost like a hybrid of a contour and a bronze. I just reacted to my first YouTube video not too long ago, and I was using this, so I've been using this for a long time. It's not the same one, don't worry, but great. Just hate the packaging though. I just want to say that, like, what even is this? This is the Anastasia Brow Wiz. I use the shade medium brown, which is fairly light, but I do tend to like a softer brow. You can just get the most precise application. I really like kind of feathering in and getting that nice shadow to my brows. That's what I'm wearing today, along with my soap brows. So this one's a little bit more of a recent favorite. This is the NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer. Oh my goodness, this is so good. If you saw a couple of videos back, I used it and I covered a lot of my acne. It's like magic in a pot. It has such good coverage, but it's not gonna look cakey and it's not gonna cling to dryness, and it's really beautiful under the eyes. It's not gonna heavily crease or anything like that. I kind of didn't realize how much I gravitate to using this product. This is the Glossier Powder. It's a great powder if you really like that natural skin look. Put it on, it'll kind of just blur your skin, perfect it. It almost melts into your face and turns into a cream. It's a beautiful powder. Literally, whenever I wear this, it instantly makes like any makeup I have on look more natural and just like skin. So the next question is, help me with blush. What type of blush is easiest to use and what shade for what skin tones? So there is so many different kind of finishes of blushes and different colors of blushes. There's a huge range from like light to berry tones to dark, and it can get a little confusing in what to buy and what to use for your skin tone, or just like to match like the makeup style that you like. In my opinion, the easiest blush is more of a cream formula, not a liquid, but a cream. I find them super duper blendable and you can just really buff it into the skin, and it's easier to get away with no harsh lines. And softer, lighter colors are gonna also be easier to use because they're not gonna look as bold on the cheek, so you can initially get it lighter, and then you can work it up more if you want it more intense. Honestly, like color matching for blushes comes down to preference, but if you're wanting something that you can just use every day that really just makes you look your best, then I might follow the guidelines a little bit. Find the best color that's easiest for you to use that really complements your natural skin tone. Basically, you want to see what your undertone in your skin is. It's either going to be cool, neutral, or warm. If you're cooler in your skin, I'd go with more of the pinky undertones in your blush. So more soft rose, soft pinks, mauves. If you have more of a warmer complexion, you can go more into the reds and more into the peaches and oranges. Those would be the best to really complement your skin. And then when you're a little bit more of a neutral undertone, you can kind of dibble and dabble into both. My number one suggestion for this to figure out what blush looks good on you, and even like lipsticks, any color products on your face, put a warm tone and put a cool tone on and see which one you feel your best in, and you'll kind of help discover your undertone in your skin through that as well. The next question is, what are tips on matching foundation and concealer shades? I feel like I'm never quite right. Foundation and concealer can definitely be tricky, and it can really make or break your look. The two major things you want to figure out with your foundation and concealer is, what is my kind of skin color family? Is it going to be fair? Is it going to be light, medium, dark? And then you want to figure out, am I cool tone? Am I warm tone? Am I neutral? Am I peachy? And just the undertone base to your skin. Usually the shade names will tell you, even like the Sephora app is very helpful. They'll break down the colors a little bit more with a description. The best place to match it is on your chin and neck here, and look at which one you can't see. That's the perfect match for you. Why I recommend matching on your neck and chin is because the skin can differentiate a little bit. Oftentimes on many of us, I know for me, your neck and chest area will be the lightest skin on your body. So making sure it matches that, so you're not going to have that distinct line, and then also making sure it matches your face, so it needs to kind of blend into one because you want your face to match your neck. I have warm undertone in my skin. Depending on the stage of year, whether it's summer and winter, I would be kind of light on the verge of going to medium in the summertime. I normally look for foundations that are light with a warm undertone to it. The next question is, best clean at Sephora makeup brands. So RMS Beauty is probably my favorite clean makeup brand. They have more minimal products. I'm not gonna say all their products are my favorite, but I really love like the Magic Luminizer highlight. It's like so good. I have it on right now. It's just that beautiful, dewy, gorgeous natural highlight. They do a great concealer as well. Milk Makeup is a great brand as well. They do really good like cream blushes and bronzers. Cover FX is a really great brand. They do great like highlights, foundation powders, bronzers, blushes. Surprisingly, Tarte is also a clean brand at Sephora. It's a really good holy grail brand that's been around for a long time. Super fun, good quality products that you can still get a full glam look. And I would say Lila B would be the last one I would mention. They have very luxe packaging, and they have really great like highlights, bronzers, little cool like pebbles that swivel. They're a really nice, very minimal brand, kind of like RMS in that way, but they have some really good products as well. So the last question, shout out to Sarah, my friend, who asked this. I'm calling you out here. How could anyone think cats are better than dogs? I could go on about this forever. I do like dogs as well, but cats are like my favorite. I love cats, and if I had to pick between them, I would of course pick a cat. Cats are so cute, super cuddly, and I just love their really calm demeanor. They're not so high maintenance. When they purr, it's just so cute. I mean, here's pictures of my cat. How cute. So those are all my questions. That was fun kind of just answering them for you. A little bit different kind of style of video because this is my first kind of like Q&A. Let me know in the comments if you guys like this and if you'd like to see more of these. So if you have any more makeup questions, or if you just want to get to know me more, feel free to ask me more questions. You can just comment down below and I can always do another one of these if you like the style of the video. That would be awesome if you give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe so you can stay tuned for more videos from me. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your week, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!